Okay, this video is going to show how to do all your dimensioning stuff for the plastic cube. So we're going to start with either an IDW or a DWG, and then we need to edit our sheet. So we're going to right click, edit sheet. We're going to choose a B for this. We click OK. We're going to go to base, find our plastic cube that we've modeled completely, click OK, and we need a scale of 2. And we're going to move it over to where we want it. We do front, top, bottom, scale of 2, click OK. And now to get our isometric, we're going to do projected. We'll choose our front view, move it over here so it's in the right placement, right click on it, or click to place it, right click, create. And now we can double click on this to change our scale to 4 and make it shaded. So now that that's done, now we can do our section view. So we're going to go to section here, and the first thing it's going to say is select a view or view sketch. So we're going to choose our front view, and then now we can choose where we want our cutting plane line to go. So I'm going to find the center point, move up, and it's got those little black dots that are on it. I'm going to click above it, click below it, right click, continue, move and places over, and I just click and it's on there. Okay, so the next part we need to do is add our center lines. So in annotate, we've got our center line area over here. We're going to choose the center marks, and we'll click on a circle, press escape, and then we can drag our lines out. Alright, and then we'll do the other one. We'll have to go back into our tool, press escape, and do these. So do these for all the circles that you can see. And then for the circles that are on from the side, we're going to use the center line bisector. And how that one works is you choose the two sides of the circle and then press escape, and you can drag these down. And since this one goes all the way across, it shares it, we can just draw it like that. Okay, so now we've got all of our center lines in. I'm going to show the baseline once, but no, you guys need to go do this again for the height, width, and depth dimensions. So I'm going to choose the baseline tool here, and I'm going to click on all my lines that I want to show dimensions to. Then I right click, continue, and now I'm going to click to place it, and then I have to right click again to create. Okay, now we want to change our precision, so we're going to right click on any one of our units, go to edit dimension style, and precision is here. It looks weird, but there's just number placeholders, so we'll do to the thousands, click save and close, and it changed it all. So repeat that baseline here and for the dimensions that you need. Now we'll do our holes and circles. So we're going to use our hole and thread tool for the actual holes. And what that'll do is when you click on the hole, it'll give you your diameter and depth on there. So we'll do that. And actually make sure that you click on the outside, because that's our chamfer. We do the bottom one. I think I just did the same thing again. So you click on the outside hole, and then the top, we have that inside one. And then we use our dimension tool for the other ones that are not holes. And the only problem that you might have with this is when you go down to the outside diameter, it's only going to select the arc. So you're going to place this. So it's giving you the radius, but we can hide our dimension value, diameter, and then put 0.426 is double what our radius was. And then we click OK, and make sure we get our project title in there. Put your name, and before you turn it in, double check, get our example off of Canvas, double check that you have all of the dimensions in it. So I think it's best to start at a view and work your way through. When it's all done, you can do File, Export, PDF, and make sure that you save this on your H drive or something, because if it goes in your A360 drive, you can't find it. So do PDF and choose your H drive, and you can put that in. Okay, hope this helps.